Hi everybody, today I'm going to have you get a sneak peek at a house that already got sold. Let's take a look at the outside for a minute. Here it is, next to a brand new house. We're going to be building other brand new houses next door. So let's take a look. This house is already sold, but I'm showing it to you because we can build you a house just like it next door. And wow, take a look at this kitchen. This is amazing. Oh wow. So, let me take the key out of the door. I have to lock it because if anybody sees I'm here and they're driving around looking for a house, they're going to want to come in. Oh, wow. Just take a minute to look at that. Oh, I really, really like that. It's just incredibly sunny and bright and cheerful in here. So we have this fabulous concrete look-alike flooring, linoleum flooring. I believe, I don't know. Yes, she did linoleum all the way through. And the countertop is a great contrast to the floor. Complementary, I should say. Oh, the cabinets are lovely. This is a 4-package Whirlpool appliance package. So we did microwave, stove, oven, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Now typically we have the pantry on the far side of the stove, but this is on this side. So let's just take a minute here and look at this kitchen. Really, really nice. Great job, wow. So here we have the chandelier instead of a hi-hat in this area. And we still have to put the cups and everything in. So this house just got delivered to the location a couple days ago, and we're still having everything connected, the utilities, plumbing, sewer. It's a big job. We got like 35-point checklist we got to follow. Look at this bathroom. What a great idea. It's got a grab bar and this awesome transom window. Oh wow, I'm really, really liking this counter, this framed mirror. All the items that are breakable are in safe areas like the top of the commode, and all the globes for the lighting fixtures. So there's a laundry room area again. And here's the master bath. And in here we have the fragile glass sliding door for the shower. This really, really looks lovely. So here you have your hot water heater and your closet with your bypass doors. I'm jingling my keys. I'll put them down on the counter in a second. Oh, look how sunny it is from this side. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, very, very nice. So there's a ceiling fan up there. Oh gosh, this is just so lovely. What a heartwarming house to live in. And again, like I said, this is already sold, but I'm showing it to you so you can think about buying a house next door. And this is the central furnace for the heat and the air conditioner. We do central air conditioners. This is the smaller second bedroom. And there you have the bypass doors also. And here's all the goodies that we still have to put up. So this is totally a sneak peek. We can't even have the owner come in to see it yet because it's still a construction site, and our insurance won't allow us to have anyone on the premises until the house has cleared the certificate of occupancy. So stay tuned and we will keep you posted of the next house being built next door. Thank you for visiting. Bye.